I just bought this house a couple of days ago. As you can see, it's not in good shape. Not just that, but there's actually people in there already working on it, getting the things out. But this is just one room's worth of stuff that they've taken out. That's one room. And there's like 3 other rooms plus storage. I'm really excited about this property in particular because it does have potential. It does have a good amount of potential. You can see up here, it's actually needs some major work. This house is from the 1940s, but after reviewing everything and checking everything out, even the flooring that seems to be original is actually in pretty good shape. The bad part is that it has not been taken care of at all. It looks like hoarders used to live here, and there's all kinds of clothes, piles, and just anything you can imagine all over the place. The bonus of this is that I actually didn't buy for the house. The house is the cherry on top. That's what I like to call it. But this cherry is worth, once I fix it and sell it, more. The same or more than what I actually bought it for. The same amount. Why did I buy this property? Take a look. There's about 8 acres that came with the house. Sure, it's messy. Oh, and by the way, some pretty good sized storage units as well. You know, they're messy, but that's all workable. Look at all that. We'll take a peek inside soon, but yeah, it's super messy. But again, this is what I like to call a grand slam. The house is a cherry on top. The whole deliciousness comes when you put it together. Because once I work on this property and divide it up, this house right here will sit on a 1.5 acre lot, and it'll be worth more than what it is now, sitting on an 8 acre lot. It's actually 7.9, but let's call it 8. It was on the MLS for more than 2 months. So it's not like it was an off market and it was multiple offers. Everybody wanted it. No, nobody wanted it. So these type of properties do exist. They're not that common. It's the truth. They don't come every day, but they do come. But yeah, cherry on top. Look at that. There is a cherry. There is a whole delicious ice cream sundae. How much am I going to make off of this? Well, stay tuned for the next video. But there's going to be 5 lots. One of them pays for the whole project. The other 4, well, that's what I'm talking about. Walter Marin, subscribe, hit the like button, comment below. See you soon. Take care.